Have you ever stared up at the night sky and wondered what would happen if you fell into a black hole? It sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but the science behind it is even wilder than you can imagine. Forget everything you think you know, because we're about to dive into one of the most extreme environments in the universe. So, you're in your spaceship, you've made a wrong turn, and now you're drifting towards a black hole. The first thing you'd encounter is the event horizon. Think of it as the point of no return. It's not a physical wall, but a boundary in space-time. Once you cross it, there's no going back. The gravitational pull is so immense that not even light, the fastest thing in the universe, can escape. From the outside, it would look like your spaceship just freezes in time at the edge of the black hole, fading away over an eternity. But for you, inside, time would behave very differently. As you get closer to the black hole, time for you would slow down relative to the rest of the universe. This is called time dilation. While only minutes or hours might pass for you on your journey inward, thousands or even millions of years could be passing by for everyone else. You'd essentially be fast-forwarding into the universe's future. It's a mind-bending concept, right? Now for the really dramatic part: spaghettification. It sounds a bit funny, but trust me, it's not. As you fall deeper, the gravitational pull on the parts of your body closer to the black hole would be much stronger than on the parts farther away. So if you're falling feet first, your feet would be pulled with more force than your head. This massive difference in gravitational force would stretch you out thinner and thinner, like a piece of spaghetti. Your body would literally be torn apart, atom by atom, until you're just a stream of particles spiraling into the singularity at the center. It's a terrifying yet fascinating journey into the unknown. The universe is full of these incredible and extreme phenomena. What cosmic mystery should we explore next? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more adventures into the cosmos. See you next time.